Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Anaconda Navigator on Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. First, click on the Windows Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Control Panel and hit Enter. Once the control panel is open, select the option labeled Programs. Next, click on Programs and now, locate and click on the Uninstall button at the top of the window. A confirmation window may appear. Click Yes to proceed with the uninstallation. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. This may take a few moments. Once the process is finished, you will receive a notification that Anaconda Navigator has been successfully uninstalled. Next, you may want to check for any leftover files. Open the File Explorer from your taskbar. In the address bar, type %user profile % and press Enter. Look for a folder named Anaconda 3, or it may be named based on your installation. If it exists, right-click on the folder and select Delete. Confirm the deletion if prompted. To ensure complete removal, you can also check the system environment variables. Right-click on this PC on your desktop or in File Explorer, then select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings on the left side of the window. In the System Properties window, click on the Environment Variables button. Under System Variables, scroll to find any entries related to Anaconda. Select these entries and click Delete. Finally, click OK to confirm any changes and close all the open windows. You have now successfully uninstalled Anaconda Navigator from your Windows system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.